This is Mustancer, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the two hoses, the T-bar for the two hoses that go into the heater core. Alright, there's two T-bars, one is black and one is yellowish. My yellowish was leaking, dripping down onto the engine, so I took it off. This is the old T-bar. I bought these disconnect tools online, but they were pretty useless. Basically what you have to do is just lay like this, and like this. Yeah, I tried the disconnect tools and yeah, they didn't work. So basically what you have to do is take off the engine cover. Take off the engine cover that goes here and get your hand around it and press right here. Press these two tabs right here with your hand and it should come out pretty easy. This one was pretty difficult. First, I think you should do this one in the back so you'll have more space. I just pressed this and it came out. This one, I tried to use the disconnect tool, but it didn't work. So basically what I had to do was, yeah, these are about 10 years old, so they're pretty stiff. The rubber is pretty stiff, so I basically pressed really hard and pulled out. This goes right here, this piece, and this is supposed to be holding in here. So I just, once I had these two off, I could bring this out. I just wiggled this out. This piece is supposed to be inside, but it came out with this. Putting back together, I think first connect this, and then the other two are pretty easy. So this one goes back. Putting it back together is pretty easy. You just have to, it should be a quick connect, but I just wanted to show to anybody out there that's doing it that this is a pretty easy do-it-yourself. The other one is basically the same concept, the black T-bar. This is the new T-bar, and it should be easy. You just have to push this on and this on, and yeah. Alright, cool. Hopefully this helps anyone.